Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use coin control in Sparrow Wallet. Coin control is an advanced feature that lets you manually choose which UTXOs coins you spend in a transaction instead of letting the wallet decide automatically. And in Bitcoin, your balance is made up of individual UTXOs unspent transaction outputs. Normally Sparrow automatically selects which coin to spend. With coin control, you manually select specific UTXOs, you improve privacy, you manage your fee better, you avoid linking addresses unnecessarily. So first, open to your Sparrow Wallet. You need to launch to your Sparrow Wallet. You can go to this tool over here on the top, and if there's any preferences icon, you can select to this preferences, or you can enable the advanced mode on the bottom here and enable it. You can select your watch addresses, gap limit, birth date, and you can enable it and restart the Sparrow if required. Over here we can find these UTXOs, and you will see the list of your coins, amount of each UTXO, address, that, date received, confirmation status, and each row represents one spendable coin. And in the UTXOs tab, you need to right click the selected UTXOs and click and spend selected. Sparrow will now open the send tab using those chosen coins and enter the recipient address, enter amount, adjust fee rate, SAT, fee, create transaction, sign and broadcast. Only the selected UTXOs will be used. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.